Disconnect the washer from the wall outlet. Open the controls panel. Lean the washer against the wall like this. Make sure it's secure and it's not going to fall on you. Remove these two pump holding screws. Remove all these screws and open the bottom panel. Mark the location of the motor holding nuts before loosening the nuts. Loosen the motor holding nuts. Remove the belt. Turn the clutch so this clip will be in this position. Hold the clip with a needle nose pliers like this and hit it with a hammer to take it out. If you can't get the clutch by pulling it by hand, you will need to use a puller like this. Use the puller to break loose the clutch and then take it right out. When installing the new clutch, this group must mate with this pin on the motor shaft. Put the new clutch on the shaft and turn it until the tip of the shaft is in this position. Grab the clip with the needle nose pliers like this, put it on the motor shaft and tap it with the hammer until it's all the way in. Lift the motor to the mark you made before and tighten the holding nuts. Place a belt on the clutch pulley and on the right side of the transmission pulley. Grab the belt and the transmission pulley together and turn them clockwise until the belt falls in place. When you do it like this, the belt should have the proper tension. Close the bottom panel and secure it with the holding screws. Screw in the two pump holding screws. Stand the washer up and install the front panel. That was a way to remove and install the clutch. To take the clutch apart, you need to remove this compression ring. After removing the compression ring, remove this washer and remove the clutch drum. If the clutch has some lining on it, you could clean and lubricate it and try it out to see how it works. If it is completely worn out like this one, you need a new clutch. Remove these two pieces. Clean it with a wire brush or sandpaper and put a little grease here. Reassemble the pieces back like this. Use a wire brush or sandpaper to clean the drum as much as you can. Set the drum in place. Put the washer and install the compression ring. Now all you have to do is install the clutch and see if it works better. If it doesn't work better, then you will need to get a new clutch. That was a way to clean and recondition the clutch.